Amish secret mosquito killer nobody talks about. Safe for honeybees. Mosquitoes do not need a swamp, a lake, or a forgotten pond to take over your property. They need only a little standing water and a few days of peace. That is what makes them such a stubborn enemy. Yet one old farm method has been quietly beating them for generations. It is simple, affordable, safe for honeybees, safe for pets, and built around one powerful idea. Stop mosquitoes before they ever grow wings. Most people fight mosquitoes after they hatch. They spray the air, fog the yard, or chase insects around the porch. The smarter approach is to target the source. Every mosquito begins life in water. If the breeding cycle is interrupted, the biting adults never appear. That is the foundation of this time-tested strategy. The first lesson is understanding where mosquitoes come from. Many homeowners assume mosquitoes arrive from distant woods or neighboring properties. In reality, a large percentage are born surprisingly close to where they bite. A clogged gutter, a bird bath, an old bucket, a wheelbarrow, a flowerpot tray, or even water trapped in a folded tarp can become a nursery. Female mosquitoes can lay hundreds of eggs in tiny amounts of water. That is why the first step is a weekly property inspection. Walk the entire yard. Dump standing water wherever it is found. Empty containers. Turn over unused items. Clear blocked gutters. Remove old tires. Check low spots after rain. This simple habit eliminates countless breeding sites before they can produce a new generation. The second step is where the method becomes truly effective. Create a mosquito trap that attracts females looking for a place to lay eggs. Start with a dark 5-gallon bucket. Dark colors resemble the shaded pools mosquitoes naturally prefer. Place the bucket away from patios, porches, and outdoor gathering spaces. The goal is to draw mosquitoes away from people. Fill the bucket halfway with water. Add grass clippings, dead leaves, or other plant material. As the material breaks down, it releases scents that mimic natural breeding sites. To a mosquito, the bucket becomes prime real estate. It looks safe. It smells perfect. It practically invites egg laying. Now comes the key ingredient. Add mosquito bits containing BTI, short for Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis. Despite the complicated name, BTI has become one of the most trusted mosquito control tools available. It is a naturally occurring bacterium that specifically targets mosquito larvae. When larvae consume BTI, it affects their digestive system and kills them before they mature. The remarkable part is its precision. BTI does not harm honeybees, butterflies, dragonflies, birds, fish, frogs, dogs, cats, chickens, or people when used as directed. It focuses on mosquito larvae and a few closely related pests. This targeted action is why BTI has been used in mosquito control programs for decades. Communities have applied it in wetlands, ponds, and public areas because it provides effective control without damaging valuable pollinators. For anyone trying to protect a garden, orchard, or beehive, that distinction matters. A single bucket helps, but multiple buckets work far better. Position several around the edges of the property. Think of them as decoys. Mosquitoes are drawn toward these attractive breeding locations, only to find that every egg laid there is doomed. Refresh the BTI according to product directions, usually every few weeks during mosquito season. For larger areas of standing water, mosquito dunks offer the same basic solution. These slow-release products contain BTI and can be placed in rain barrels, drainage areas, stock tanks, and other water-holding locations. They continue working for weeks while requiring very little effort. Even with breeding sites under control, some adult mosquitoes will still be present. That is where natural repellents can help. Essential oil blends made from ingredients such as cedarwood, rosemary, peppermint, garlic, clove, and lemongrass are often used around outdoor living spaces. Instead of spraying open air, apply them to shaded resting areas where mosquitoes spend daylight hours. Focus on shrubs, dense vegetation, fences, wood piles, and sheltered corners. Avoid spraying blooming flowers. While these natural oils are generally considered safer for pollinators than broad-spectrum insecticides, treating blossoms can discourage beneficial insects from visiting. Protecting pollinators means keeping flowers welcoming and productive. Another overlooked advantage comes from encouraging a healthy backyard ecosystem. Dragonflies, birds, frogs, and bats all contribute to natural insect control. No single species will eliminate mosquitoes completely, but a balanced environment creates constant pressure on pest populations. Every predator becomes another ally. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. There is no complicated equipment, no expensive monthly contract, and no blanket treatment that wipes out helpful insects alongside harmful ones. The strategy attacks mosquitoes at their weakest point, before they become flying pests. Mosquitoes remain among the most dangerous animals on Earth because they can spread serious diseases. That reality makes effective control important. Yet effective control does not have to mean covering a yard with harsh chemicals. A smarter solution focuses on water, prevention, and precision. This weekend, walk your property. Dump standing water. Set out a few dark buckets. Add organic debris. Use BTI. Treat problem areas. Encourage beneficial wildlife. Within days, you can begin breaking the mosquito life cycle while keeping bees, butterflies, pets, and people safe. Sometimes the most effective survival skills are not the newest discoveries. They are the practical lessons that worked all along. One final tip often makes the difference between moderate success and lasting control. After heavy rains, revisit every corner of the property. Fresh puddles appear quickly and mosquitoes waste no time finding them. Keep a small bucket or can during inspections. Empty anything holding water. Check gutters, tarps, toys, troughs, planters, drains, and covers. Consistency is the secret. A single overlooked container can produce dozens of new biters. Stay observant, stay prepared, and keep pressure on breeding sites all season long for cleaner evenings, healthier gardens, happier pets, thriving bees, everywhere.